Hello guys, today we are solving lead code 150th problem. Evaluate reverse polish notation. ఏం లేదు, ఇక్కడ మనకి ఒక స్ట్రింగ్ వెక్టర్ ఇస్తారు. ఈచ్ కంటైన్స్ ఏ క్యారెక్టర్ ఆర్ స్ట్రింగ్. ఇఫ్ ఇట్స్ ఆల్ఫాబెట్స్ and there will be two things. It will be like numbers or the signs, plus minus star divided by minus. These ఇవి ఉంటాయి, లేదంటే నెంబర్స్ ఉంటాయి. Here we do is we take a string and we store if it's a number we store it step by step, like we know in stack we store the elements on top of each other. First in will be last to out, last in will be first to out, and we have to output the total sum by calculating like ఈ సైన్స్ని ఏ టూ నెంబర్స్ మీదైనా యూజ్ చేసి we have to get the answer 9. That we will do with stack. We will return the total sum we get. After doing the total operations, we will give that as output. So what we will take as input is vector string ARR, and we declare a stack int st, and we go through each thing like string such that ampersand ఎందుకు యూజ్ చేస్తామంటే మామూలుగా లైక్ టు నో విచ్ ఎట్ ప్రజెంట్ వాల్యూ వీఆర్ ఇన్, లైక్ మారిపోకుండా ఇండిసెస్ మారిపోకుండా. ఇఫ్ తర్వాత రాద్దాం, ఎల్స్ డాట్ పుష్ ఆఫ్ stoi ఎందుకంటే వీ హ్యావ్ టు at present they are in string, right? Everything is a string. We have to convert string to integer. That's why it's called stoi. ఫస్ట్ 2 వచ్చింది కదా, 2ని మనం డైరెక్ట్ ఇంటిజర్ కన్వర్ట్ చేసి స్టోర్ చేసుకుంటాం స్టాక్లో. సో స్టాక్ నో కంటైన్స్ 2, దెన్ 1 కమ్స్, 2 పైన 1 ఉంటుంది. ఇప్పుడు దానిపైన నెక్స్ట్ ఒకవేళ ఇప్పుడు సింబల్స్ వస్తాయి, s is equals to plus or minus star divided by if it's minus, yeah, if it's plus, what we will do, we take a variable called result. We store that int result is equals to 0 initially at every time. Each time after every element, after 2 return result will be 0, after 1 result will be 0. And what we do is we will pop the elements. Now we have 2 and 1 in the stack, right? We pop the first thing, stack dot top, we store that in a, and we pop that st dot pop. Now 1 is in a, now a is 1 and b is equals to st dot top and st dot pop. Now stack contains nothing, and a b values are a is 1 and b is 2. So if s is equals to plus means result will be a plus b, and we store that result in st dot push of result. Like that we store that. Now st result will be, suppose imagine 2 plus 1 is 3, right? Yeah, now st contains 3. Now again we go to 3 is a number, so 3 is just inserted into or pushed into the stack. Now stack contains 3 above 3, only 3. Now it's multiplication symbol, it will come here. Now there are 2 3s, a is 3, we pop the stack, and b is 3, we pop the stack. And if it's else, if it's star, result is equals to a star b, right? Yeah, then it will store result will be each time result will be again converted into 0, right? Result will be now 3 into 3 9. Stack is filled with pushed with 9. Stack contains 9 now. Now we will return stack dot top as answer. At the final, stack will contains only one element after doing all the operations. Else if it's s is equals to minus, we will return. Here we will do is, if it's minus or divided by, we just do b minus a, because b is, we are like in stack we remove the thing we just push now, last in first out, లాస్ట్లో పుష్ చేసింది మాత్రమే ఫస్ట్ వస్తుంది. సో దట్ విల్ బి b, right? Then b minus a is only correct. Because why we are doing subtraction like b minus a only specifically, because sometimes it will become negative. Minus and division are little sensitive topics, so that's why we have to take little care for them. Now we do division, same as result is equals to b by a. B by a is not is equals to a by b, that's why we have to take care. Yeah, the total time complexity is big of n. Yeah, that's it.